Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to target your target CPA in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and then you have to simply type in Google Ads in the search bar, and then here you have to choose to the first website like this. Then here you have to just simply choose the sign in option or the start now button, and then it will simply take you to this dashboard, and from here you have to just simply click on the campaigns option from here, and then you have to just simply click on the campaigns like this, and after that it will simply take you to this page like this, where you will get all the campaigns option, and there are lots of campaign that you are currently running or currently using will be show here. And then just simply choose a file, choose a campaign. So let's say I would like to choose this one. Then just simply click on the edit option from the top navigation bar. After that it will simply give you this kinds of option. Then from here you have to just simply click on the change bid strategy, and once you're in the change bid strategy, here you have to choose the target CPA from here, and here in the build to option, use existing portfolio strategy and create a new portfolio strategy. You have to choose for the create new portfolio strategy from here, and then you have to scroll down to the below, and here you have to just simply type in the target CPA or the budget that you would like to use, and for then the name of the test as well, and then just simply click on apply. And after that it will simply do this campaign according to the Google Ads mindset or the Google Ad algorithm. So it's as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.